I would do anything to protect another child.
This Massachusetts teen is speaking out because she was robbed of the chance to be heard in court, denied the opportunity to face the man she says sexually abused her for 7 years.
I wanted to show this person that they no longer had control over me and that I was no longer that little terrified girl that would do whatever he wanted at the snap of his fingers.
The 16-year-old was prepared to testify in the criminal trial against Elmer Sola, charged with aggravated rape of a child, when out of nowhere she learned Sola had been taken into custody by federal immigration agents while out on bail. She then learned he was deported to his home country of El Salvador.
He could hurt another kid. To be allowed to go free and hurt someone else, that thought devastates me because I've tried so hard to try and prevent that from happening.
There's a void of justice there that is very frustrating.
Cape and Islands District Attorney Rob Galliboy says this victim isn't alone.
So you have a situation where you have a victim that trusts our prosecutors, and now our prosecutors are coming to them saying, we can't go forward anymore.
Our investigation found cases from Barnstable to the Berkshires where prosecutions effectively end when federal immigration agents step in. Here's Worley Neto, charged last year with raping a 13-year-old girl on Martha's Vineyard. His prosecution stopped last August after ICE arrested him. Now he's free in Brazil.
This is the matter of the Commonwealth versus Billy Buitrago Bustos.
Buitrago Bustos was charged last year with rape of a child with force. He was deported to Colombia before trial. Our review of court records shows prosecutors and judges often try to pursue the criminal cases after ICE takes defendants into custody.
We ask if they can be brought back to our jurisdiction so we can continue on with the prosecution. That hasn't been our experience to date.
That includes this teen's case and Elmer Sola. ICE tells us, quote, the Commonwealth of Massachusetts saw fit to release this alleged predator back into the community to potentially reoffend. ICE took action where the Commonwealth did not. But Sola was facing a minimum of 10 years in prison if convicted, and ICE arrested him after a judge released him on $5,000 bail and the condition he wear a GPS bracelet while awaiting trial. Court records show prosecutors then repeatedly asked ICE to allow him to be brought to court on the rape charges, but ICE denied the requests. And now Sola is free.
You want to get rid of these quote-unquote illegal aliens and rid your country of this. But just because you're ridding this country of a menace, you're giving it to another country to deal with. The problem doesn't just go away.
And the DA points out too often suspects who commit crimes and are deported before they can be punished then re-enter the country and offend again. Now, he just sent this letter to the head of ICE for New England asking for a meeting to explore a better way to move forward, to hold criminals accountable and get justice for victims. Live in the newsroom, Karen Anderson, 5 Investigates.